much for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a lovely sort of messy textured look. Perfect for going to work, just heading up the town, or a night out. I'm a mum now, so I don't get many of them. So for me, this is just a perfect going to work look. All you need is straighteners, a comb, a clip, and if you want some texturizing spray or a nice serum to put on afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to section my hair into 3 sections to straighten. I'm going to do the bottom, the middle, and then I'm going to leave the top till last. You'll see why. Okay, so now we're down to our top layer. Put it into the parting that you are going to wear it in. For me, that's the centre. And you want to grab your first section. I like to start sort of at the front. So I'm going to take my top layer, my top section. I'm going to smooth it down. And then when it gets to about the eyebrow, I'm going to bend it in, straighten again, and bend it in, straighten again. Now, I don't know if you can see in the light. Hang on, let me get it. It's just sort of created this little wave. My hair's dark, so you're not seeing it very well in this light, but as we continue, you'll see it more. So I'm going to go smooth, bend, drag, straight. Bend, drag, and then straighten. And I'm going to continue that round my whole top hair section. So bend, straight, bend, drag, straight. And just keep going round your whole section. Smooth, bend, drag. Oh, the lighting seems to be better this side. Let's see if we can see it better. So I'm going to smooth it, and then I'm going to bend. I'm going to pull, and then straight. Bend, pull, straight. Again. Smooth from the top, and then bend, drag it down, straighten it out. Drag it down, straighten it out. And you're just starting to see this sort of curve come in, which we didn't have before. Now this is really great if you don't have sort of these crimping tongs, or if you're just sort of fancying to do something just a little bit different, but don't want to have to buy any new equipment. Most people own a pair of straighteners. It's super quick and easy to achieve. You can tweak over any other bits that you've done just to make them a bit more exaggerated. But as you can see, super easy. I've now just got this really textured hairstyle. Oh, I think the light just caught it a little bit there. Yeah, there we go. Right, I'm ready. So that was really super quick and super easy to just create just a little bit of volume and texture in the hair using just your straighteners. If you don't want to have to go and buy new products and buy new styling equipment, most people own a pair of straighteners, so it's a great way to just achieve it. Now to finish it off, you can just put on some serum in the ends if you want, but personally I kind of want to keep that texture flowing, so I'm going to use Osis Volume Up. Oh, love this stuff. And I'm just literally going to run my fingers through it and then just spray. Just like so. Woo! Perfect. You can add hairspray if you want, but I don't think that I need it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. It's the first one that I've made in a while, so I really, really appreciate that you clicking on. If you have any comments at all or any questions to ask, please drop them below in the comment section. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thank you, bye! Woo!